This presentation will cover common upland game birds of Idaho. Upland birds have short rounded wings, short bills, and heavy bodies. Their preferred habitat is brush or woodlands and dry land close to water. Males have brighter features than females, and females have plain feathers that provide camouflage cover for their nest. The ringneck pheasant was introduced from China in 1818. Males are brightly colored, while females are smaller and cryptically colored. They weigh between 2 and 3 pounds, and their tail can grow up to 18 inches in length. Their preferred habitat is farmlands near woods. The chukar was introduced in the mid and late 1800s from Mongolia. They have a grayish-brown back chest with a buffy belly, and black and chestnut barring on their flanks. They have a black line through the eye, down the neck, and onto the chest. They have a white throat and red bill and legs. Adults are 13 to 15 inches long, and their preferred habitat is canyons, rocky slopes, and cliffs. The bobwhite quail is native to eastern United States and Mexico. They are reddish-brown with a pale throat and an eye stripe, which is white in males and buff in females. They have a small rounded head with a slight crest. They have a round body with a very short tail. They can reach up to 9.5 to 10.5 inches in length and weigh up to 1.5 pounds. They like to run on the ground, and they prefer cultivated fields, brush, and woodlots. They feed on small seeds and insects. The California quail is native to the western U.S. They have a top knot cluster of 6 overlapping plumes of feathers. They're 10 to 11 inches in length, and they weigh up to 2 pounds. They prefer crop and brushlands near water, and they digest vegetation with the help of protozoans in its intestine. Their chicks acquire the protozoans by pecking at the feces of the adults. Mountain quail are native to Idaho. They're 10 to 12 inches in length and weigh up to 2 pounds. They have a straight-plumed crest with bold and white bars on their flanks. They're the largest of the quail found in Idaho. They prefer remote mountain areas with dense shrubs and cover. We do not have an open hunting season on mountain quail in Idaho. The gray or Hungarian partridge was introduced in the 1800s and early 1900s. They have a grayish-brown back and chest with a dark reddish belly patch. They have chestnut barring on their flanks with a reddish face and throat. Their bill and legs are gray, and they have a short rounded wings with a chestnut-colored tail. Their preferred habitat is cultivated lands, grasslands, and brushy areas where grains, seeds, and other vegetation is plentiful. They occur in coveys of 6 to 15 birds. The mourning dove is native to North America. It's a fast-flying, graceful, and has a slender tail with a small head. They often perch on telephone wires. Their wings make a sharp whistling sound, and they're the most frequently hunted species in North America. Their size is 11 to 13 inches in length, and they weigh less than a pound. They prefer to forage primarily on small grains and weeds. The blue grouse is also native to North America. It is slate gray in color and has a large size, with a long squarish tail. Adult males have a yellow to orange eye comb and yellow or purple-red neck sac, and it's surrounded by white feathers. Its size is about 3 pounds. It prefers mountains and foothills, and it likes to eat needles and buds of trees and leaves of shrubs. The ruffed grouse, native to North America, has a ruff of dark feathers around its neck. It's gray or reddish-brown in color and weighs 1.5 pounds. Its preferred habitat is aspen or willow cover and mixed hardwoods and conifers. It likes to eat seeds, berries, and green plants. The spruce grouse is native to North America, and in males it has a black breast and white spots on its sides, with a red comb above the eyes and a white arc under the eyes. Feathers under the tail are black with large white tips. The tail is black with rufous tips. The hen is dark rusty brown. It has black and white barring on the breast and a tail tipped with pale brown. Its size is about 1.5 pounds. The greater sage grouse is native to North America. It has a long pointed tail and legs with feathers to its toes. The males have a yellow patch over their eyes and are grayish with a white breast, dark brown throat, and black belly, with two yellowish sacs on the neck, which are inflated during courtship. The females are more mottled gray-brown, have a light brown throat and dark belly. Their size is 26 to 30 inches and 4 to 7 pounds. They prefer open sagebrush plains, and they're the largest grouse species in North America. The wild turkey is native to North America. It's the largest of our upland game birds, weighing up to 20 pounds. The male or gobbler has a red wattle on its lower neck and spurs on its lower legs, reaching 1.5 inches in length. Beards on males can be 3 to 10 inches in length. Their preferred diet is nuts, seeds, berries, and insects. The sharp-tailed grouse, native to Idaho, has a relatively short and pointed tail. Adult males have a yellow comb over their eye and a violet display patch on their neck. The tail goes straight up when they're displaying. Females are smaller than males and are distinguished by their horizontal markings. Their size is about 15 to 19 inches, and they weigh 21 to 31 ounces. Their preferred habitat is grasslands intermixed with woody cover.